and then I just go, oh, I have to turn this off, you see. It's already connected, see. And then it's my echo, like they've done that.
Perfect. And he doesn't even have to answer. It's just gonna,
No,
oh,
it's just,
that's
it's
even
automatically,
better.
it just goes there automatically. Sorry. So you just go to my Alexa, and then it goes into, I go here, connecting, and then home, that's mine,
Yeah.
and then we can connect.
So there we are up there, and then
You just connect.
go right to your parents.
Yeah,
Depending on Wi-Fi, it can take a bit longer.
yeah,
There we
there.
go.
Sorry.
Oh, it's all good.
Yeah, then it just comes on. It'll take time sometimes because, like you said, the Wi-Fi.
Ah, look at them. There
Yeah.
they are. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, that's so wonderful.
And we can talk to them and, like, we know what they're doing.
Yeah.
Just to keep an eye on them. It's so much easier than having iPhone or whatever.
They can't
answer.
totally.
Yeah.
Okay, so keep it on there. I'm going to go to the other. I'm going to videotape the other part. Okay, so let's go look at the main camera. There we go. I'm videotaping this.
हाँ हाँ दे हाँ दे हाँ